Yeah,
All right, y'all, we're fixing to go ahead and get started, so if you will make your way over here for me, please. How is everybody doing today? Let's get it awesome.
Hey!
I just want to say real quick, I used to daydream about this day. I spent a year here at Seven Bridges and prayed for restoration for my family, and I got served my divorce papers right over there by that red Connex, and I gave Jesus, I just gave him my heart, gave him everything, and I daydreamed about having my family here one day, but what I thought was a daydream was a vision, and I've got my family sitting right here on the front row. Healing through serving, and it's, I can testify that when you help and you pray for other people, God heals you. And when you go out today, I just encourage you just to love on them and just to let God lead you and watch how your heart heals while doing it.
Jesus.
There we go.
You take your dreads off.
Ready? Hey man, let's go. Backward butterfly. Backward butterfly. Backward butterfly. Alright, y'all ready? Making melodies
In my heart, making it.
All right, so it's another beautiful Saturday. I'm gonna say that today's theme is restoration. I've been hearing about Ben Murphy for about a year, and I just love the story that he was reunited with his family. He went through a divorce at Seven Bridges and actually ended up remarrying his wife. So God restores all things. Restoration of children and their families, parents and their children, people's marriages, just people's lives, people's souls. So yeah, let's just spread the message of Jesus today out on the streets, serve his lost sheep, bring some hope to people that need it. All right, it's been a wonderful route. It's been a beautiful day out here proclaiming the name of Jesus in the streets.
Go Jesus, go!
Celebrating restoration, the beautiful restoration of families, of lives, of careers, of passions, of souls. We thank Jesus for that. It's only through him, because of him, and for him that we do this. We hope this encourages you to do the same in your city. Take anything you have, use it to break the ice, to pray with people, tell them you love them, tell them Jesus loves them. They are never alone. He's always with us. Amen.